Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show step-by-step how you can hide upload and download notifications from Google Drive on your lock screen. If you're someone who prefers privacy or simply doesn't want to see those constant notifications popping up, this quick guide will help you keep your lock screen clean and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your settings. This is where you'll find all the options you need to manage how different apps behave on your device. Next, scroll down until you see the Apps section and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. From here, find and select Google Drive. Once you're inside Google Drive's app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap it. This is where you control exactly what kind of alerts Google Drive is allowed to show you. Now tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks notifications down into different groups, so you can fine-tune which ones you want to keep and which ones you'd like to turn off. Within the categories, find the option labeled Comments and tap on it. This is important because it relates to activity updates like uploads and downloads that might appear on your lock screen. Finally, tap on Lock Screen. You'll see a few different display options. Choose Don't Show Notifications. By selecting this, Google Drive will no longer display those upload and download notifications whenever your phone is locked. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Google Drive's upload and download notifications from appearing on your lock screen. From now on, you'll still be able to access your files and updates from inside the app, but your lock screen will remain clutter-free and private. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you receive a lot of Drive notifications or just want to keep your lock screen tidy. Try it out on your phone and see how much cleaner everything feels. Thanks for watching.